types of intellectual property or IP. Intellectual property, or simply IP, is a type of property that comes from the products of mental effort and usually composed of copyrights, trademarks, patents, and trade secrets. Industrial design and geographical indications, appellation, industrial design and geographical indications or appellation can also be considered as IP. Intellectual properties are a product of humans' intelligence and creativity that need to be protected by law. Here are the types of intellectual property rights protected by Philippine law. Copyright and related rights. Copyright and other related rights consider the safeguard of literary, scientific, and artistic pieces or domain. These rights comprise of books and other literary articles, films, paintings, audio or music, and computer or software programs. The moment authors and artists produce their creations or work, they are approved of their copyrights automatically under the law. Anyone with copyright protection can have exclusive right of his creation or work. Owner and holder of the copyright protection may allow or disallow the duplication of their work in any manner, shape, or form. Trademarks and service marks. A mark is an invisible sign to differentiate goods, trademark, and services. Service mark. A trademark may be a word, a group of words, signs and symbols, logos, or a mixture of all these mentioned. The primary source or origin of products and services as one of entity differing from the rest can be seen in the trademark. The symbol TM means that the mark has a pending application, while the symbol R means that the mark is registered. It takes around 6 to 18 months to complete the whole application process for trademarks due to examination and publication. The government fee for a trademark application in one class is 2,592 pesos. If the trademark has color, there is additional 600 pesos must be paid for each class. Geographic indications. A geographical indications can either be a name or a sign used by and for a product from a specific geographical location. This may serve as a guarantee or a right that a certain product has a direct qualitative link to its geographical origin for a reason of a soil topography, climate, human skills, or traditions of the place of origin. Industrial design. Industrial designs could either be three-dimensional features with shapes and surfaces, or two-dimensional ones with patterns, lines, or color. Essentially, the scope of industrial designs ranges from fashion to industrial goods such as handicraft, vehicle, jewelry, fashion pieces, appliances, and a whole lot more. This is advantageous to the owner because no other parties can produce and sell the goods that is copycat of the design. Patents. A patent is an exclusive right granted to inventors which provides a new product or a new way of doing something or offers a new technical solution to a problem. Inventions can be electrical, mechanical, or chemical in nature. The patent system is conceived to inspire inventions that are exceptional and beneficial to society. Here are the three different kinds of patents, namely, number 1, utility patents. These most common patents are accorded to new machines, chemicals, and processes. Number 2, design patents awarded to care for the distinctive look or shape of invented objects such as the surface ornamentation or overall design of the object. Number 3, plant patents given for the invention and asexual reproduction of new and distinct plant types such as hybrid. Asexual reproduction means the plant is reproduced by means other than from seeds like grafting or rooting of cuttings. Layout designs or topographies of integrated circuits. These types of designs are usually three-dimensional elements of forms intended for manufacturing. Owners of this invention or idea are granted rights in preventing other parties from using the registered item or device for commercial purposes. Topographies, as compared to invention patents, are relatively inexpensive, easier to acquire with fewer requirements needed, as RA 9150 covers these designs and described as number 1. Industrial design, it is any arrangement of lines or colors or any three-dimensional form, whether related with lines or colors. The design must be a structure or form which gives a unique appearance and can provide as a blueprint for an industrial product or handicraft. Number 2, integrated circuit. This means a product in its final form or intermediate form in which at least one of the elements is an active one and some or all of the interconnections are inherently formed in and are in a piece of material. This is intended to perform an electronic function. Layout design. Synonymous to topography means the three-dimensional disposition among the elements, at least one of which is an active element, and some of or all the interconnection of an integrated circuit, or such a three-dimensional disposition plan for an integrated circuit meant for manufacture. Protection of undisclosed information. One of the most important, if not the most important among the types of intellectual properties that needs to be safeguarded by law is the undisclosed information. This undisclosed information is considered vital in their bringing benefits or scare to the country. Thank you.